Well, as you can see, I'm not home. Our summer's coming to an end, so I had to head up north, stay a week at the cabin, and try to get as much riding done as I can. The leaves are definitely changing right now. My goal today is to find some beautiful roads and some beautiful scenery. Alright, let's go hit some roads. I'm not going to do much talking today, which I know you're happy about that. This is about the scenery today. Let's get going. In case you're wondering what the deal with this jacket is, it's not going to rain today, but it's going to be barely 60 degrees. I need to stay warm.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you, like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose, each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season, not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. Season. Just like another season, not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. Changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing, just like another season. Season.
beautiful lake. What a beautiful day to be riding. Kind of wish the sun was out a little more, but it's October in Michigan. This is what you get. As you can see, a lot of our trees are already losing their leaves. It's definitely a beautiful time of year. Of course, what sucks is what comes after this. Winter. The Hen House Restaurant. This little joint, one of my favorite little restaurants. Time to go get some good food. Well, it's a beautiful day for riding. Not much sun. You can see a lot of clouds, but no rain. Warmed up just a little bit. Never hit 70 today, but that's alright. It's always sad this time of year. Riding season's about over. Winter's on its way. Yeah, I'm not happy about that. But the good news is I have at least 2 other bikes that I can be working on. I have an old dual sport. Got a bunch of work to do on that. Then my old 1977 Kawasaki KZ 650. I'm hoping this winter to start working on that. So I should still have a whole bunch of how-to videos this winter. And who knows, even in Michigan, we have some days in December and January where it might hit 40 degrees. I'll get out and ride. As long as we don't have any ice or snow on the ground. I'm going to keep riding right up until it snows though, so who knows, we could luck out. I could still have another month and a half of good riding. I'm hoping. So I'm going to end it right here. Why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like what you see, hit the like button. And don't forget to ring that bell. That'll give you a notification for every time I load up a new video.